Hi, boys and girls. Today is going to be a special day. We're actually doing another field trip. But before we join the field trip, we have a book to read. And this book is about sheep. This is a baby sheep. It's called the lamb. Let's read about the sheep. Sheep in a Jeep. Beep, beep. Sheep in a Jeep on a hill that's steep. Uh-oh, the sheep won't go. Sheep leap to push the Jeep. Sheep shove, sheep grunt. Sheep don't think to look up front. Where's the Jeep going? Jeep goes splash. Jeep goes thud. Jeep goes deep in gooey mud. Sheep tug to get that Jeep out of that mud. Sheep shrug. I think they gave up. Sheep yelp. Sheep get help. Who came to help? It looks like pigs to me. Jeep comes out, sheep shout. Time to celebrate. Sheep shear. Oh dear, the driver sheep forgets to steer. Jeep in a heap. Sheep weep. That means they cry. Sheep sweep the heap. Jeep for sale, cheap. That was a funny little book, wasn't it? Sheep in a Jeep. Okay, now we're going to join the first part of our field trip. I went next door across the street, and I have some wonderful neighbor friends who helped me out. So I'd like for you to meet them now. So come on, let's go to the field trip. Hi, boys and girls. Today we're doing another field trip. The last one was to Camp Chula Vista, but this one is to my neighbors across the street. And do you recognize what they're holding? Hold them up, girls. They're our boom whackers that we use at school. And since you couldn't play them for me, I talked my new friends into playing them for me. So this is Addison. Say hi, Addison. And this is Anna Grace. Say hi, Anna Grace. And they're so nice because they've been practicing for several days now. And you're going to get to hear them play since you can't play at school. I hope we're back soon because I miss all of you. All right, we're going to do Mary Had a Little Lamb. So here we go. How did you like the boom whackers? Weren't they lots of fun? Those girls are really talented. All right, now we're going to rejoin the field trip after this book again, so stay tuned. This book is called You're My Little Star. Wonder what the next thing on the field trip will be. Your smiles are the warmest. You're my little star. Your hugs are the coziest, the comfiest by far. You're the cutest and the smartest. There's nothing you can't do. and I am just the happiest to share my life with you. Your songs are the sweetest. I know you will go far. You're the sparkliest and brightest. A star is what you are. That's a good book, isn't it? Now, our first book was about sheep, and our boomwhackers were about Mary Had a Little Lamb. So, what do you think the next part of our field trip is going to be if this book was about a star? I don't know. Let's join the field trip and see. Come along. Hi, boys and girls. We're back again. I'm here with Addison and Anna Grace again, and instead of boomwhackers, we have our handbells, and we're going to do Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Are you ready, girls? Here we go. Very good, girls. Thank you so much for helping us out. And now, friends, you have two new friends, Addison and Anna Grace. I hope you enjoyed it. Ball your fist up, tap your chest 2 times. From the bottom of my heart, I love you, but Jesus loves you more. Have a good day, friends. All right, that's it for today. I sure hope you enjoyed the books as well as our field trip. Those girls did excellent jobs on their instruments. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, ball your fist up, tap your chest 2 times, say it with me. From the bottom of my heart, I love you, but Jesus loves you more. Have a good day.